At 50th EMO, I'm indeed glad to present the India's unique strengths. The first and foremost is the manpower, the scale of the manpower as compared to any other nation. It gives this unique opportunity for global companies to set up the shops here, to collaborate here in India. The cost competitiveness of Indian manufacturing not only comes from the cheaper labor force, but also comes from the investment in the technology for precision manufacturing in terms of cost, quality, and delivery. Besides this, there is a very strong domestic demand. The Indian market has a very big domestic presence, which is in automotive, in pharma, in electronics, and also in aerospace, supported by government policy, holds big opportunities for India. The strategic location of India makes it an ideal base, manufacturing base for exporting to Southeast Asian countries, Middle East, African countries. India will play a major role in global supply chain. You can see clearly the growth aerospace industry has in India. All critical parts were manufactured outside India. But now India has geared up for the precision manufacturing, and so the supply chain is fast moving towards India. Lastly, I would say that India has the entrepreneurship and the startup ecosystem to innovate and sustain the manufacturing.